Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making breakfast deviled eggs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, we're going to need paprika, eggs, I have 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and also I have 4 slices of turkey bacon. We're also going to need pancake mix. Okay, we're going to add our eggs to a pot of boiling water and we're going to let them boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, while our eggs are boiling, I sprayed my frying pan with non-stick cooking spray, and once it heats up, I'm going to add my turkey bacon to it. Okay guys, I placed my turkey bacon into the frying pan and I sprayed them lightly on top with the non-stick cooking spray also. So we're just going to let our bacon cook up. Okay guys, my turkey bacon is done, so all I did was sit it on the plate with the paper towel. And we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. Okay guys, after the 12 minutes is up, we're just going to go ahead and take our eggs and we're going to place them in a bowl of cold water for 10 minutes. This is going to help you to peel your eggs without breaking them. Okay, we're going to leave them in for 10 minutes. Okay guys, next I have 1 cup of the pancake mix and I'm going to add 2/3 cup of cool water to it. And all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, our pancake batter is mixed. All I did once again was spray my frying pan with some non-stick butter flavor cooking spray. Okay guys, all I'm doing here is dropping my pancake mix in by the spoonfuls so they can make mini pancakes. Once you see the tops turning with the bubbles in it, then you want to go ahead and flip those over. Okay guys, our first set of pancakes are almost done. Okay guys, once your pancakes are done, all you want to do is sit them in a bowl and sit them to the side. Okay guys, next all we're going to do is take our eggs and we are going to peel them. Okay guys, I have all my eggs peeled. With this one, you can see all I did was cut off the tip. I didn't go too far in the end of each egg, rather. And then all you want to do is cut it straight down the middle. That way when you fill your eggs, they'll be able to sit up. Okay guys, I have all my eggs cut into half. Now all I'm going to do is take the yolk out and place it into a bowl. Okay, once you have all your yolks out and they're into your bowl, all you want to do is take a fork and just mash them until it's very fine. Okay guys, once your yolks are all smashed, we're going to go ahead and just add in our other ingredients. The onion powder, the garlic powder, and the black pepper. And all I'm going to do is mix that up first. Then we're going to add in our mayonnaise and mustard. Once your mayonnaise and mustard is in your bowl, all we're going to do is mix it until well combined. Okay guys, once everything is well combined, I'm going to go ahead and start to fill our eggs. Usually I will use a piping bag, but I ran out of them, so I'm just going to fill them with the spoon. Okay, with your deviled eggs, you want to fill them as much as you can. And all I did here was cut my turkey bacon into slices, and I took my pancakes and all I did was cut them into half. Okay guys, I'm going to show you now. You can take your pancakes and all you're going to do is stand it up onto your deviled egg. Just like that. Then we're going to go in with a piece of bacon. And we're just going to stick that in there. So this is what the pancake and bacon deviled eggs look like. And next, I'm going to put my other deviled eggs onto a plate and show you how they look just with the bacon. Okay guys, for these we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some paprika onto them. Just like that. And next all I'm going to do is add about 2 pieces of bacon to them. Okay guys, so here we have it. Breakfast deviled eggs. One with pancake in it, and you can put some syrup on the side and drizzle that over top. And we also have some with paprika and turkey bacon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.